Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this here park tool, DAG2, derailleur hanger alignment gauge. If you've ever bent your derailleur hanger, oops, you can see that hanger is bent inwards towards the wheel. This happens sometimes when the bike falls over, or if you crash, or if somebody leans their bike into yours and gets the derailleur caught. Any of those reasons. But anyway, what you do is you take the derailleur off. It's right there. I've already removed the bolt. It's just it's an Allen key bolt. Looks like that. It's got a little index mark on it, so it can only kind of go one way. You remove it with your trusty, was it number 5 Allen key, and then you take your derailleur align tool. Now this comes with some other pieces. It comes with a guide for, I guess, aligning it to dish against the wheel, and I always found that a waste of time, so I just took it off. But anyways, I'm going to try and get this installed here, so give me one sec. Okay, so as you can see, this threads, and it threads into the derailleur hanger just like your derailleur would. So you tighten it up. Pardon the disaster in the shop. I just had 100 used bike order to deal with, and this place is an absolute mess. That's what happens when you build bikes. But anyways, so what you do with this is, you can see the bend. It's bent towards the wheel right there, and if you bring it up, you can see it's bent away. So what you want to do is gently pry this back into shape. So if we set right there, and you see how the hanger's got a twist to it, if we bend it in gently, you don't want to go too hard because it's aluminum, and it's only held on by this little piece right here, which is pinched in the frame of the wheel. It's important you leave the wheel installed and leave the quick release or the bolt tight, as if you do take it off, you'll end up ripping the hanger right off the bike, so you don't want to do that. So basically, you twist it out like that. Now this tool, again, like I said, it used to have a slide attachment and a pin, and you would use that to make sure that this thing was dead square against the wheel. But I figured it's a waste of time. It never worked properly for me. I just kind of eyeball it. I can tell just by looking at it that we're still out in the other direction. So what I'm going to do is pull it in, and as you can see, the hanger's starting to straighten out. Again, you don't want to go too crazy with this, because it's just aluminum. It's thin and it'll snap. That there looks pretty good to me. You can always tweak it a little with the derailleur hanging from it. Just twist it by hand. But I would remove this now, reinstall the derailleur, and this probably would work just as new. So I just wanted to show you how to use this tool. It's called the Park DAG2 derailleur hanger alignment gauge. You could make one of these with a bar and a bolt if you needed to. It's just a nice piece of metal to work with. Thanks for watching.